Magsa-sunset kami sa Lipata Port.
Hindi ko sure saan ako dadaan. Gasoline station daw dito eh. Sarap jogging dito, man. Tingnan mo oh. Ang tao sa likod.
Magas muna kami. Agay. Ay, nagpagas si ano. Si Jesus.
Ano ba yung SeaWorld dito?
Bawal nang pumasok. Sayang. Ganda pa man din oh. Yung mga bundok doon. Doon siguro, dyan. Ay, hindi namin mahanap yung ano. SeaWorld. Sana kaya yung SeaWorld.
Kung doon may pag-manage yung elementary school?
Oo, so I guess may daanan doon pero pa straight. Baka dito. Sa ano no? Or hindi doon sa kabila.
Oh, okay lang wala kang wifi? Para makita yung island eh.
Doon sana ang malapit sa ano dagat.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said you must be the love of my life. Hold on now.
Kita mo ako?
Hi.
Hi!
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. With you, don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true, nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky, it's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good.
Hindi, joke lang. Baka naman tumabi sa amin.
Baka tumabi sa'yo.
Hindi, takot din yun sa ano. Yung mabilis. Malabas na yung pag walang...
Pwede dito sa iba.
Dito man, ano pa ba?
Dito man. Ito yung lupa ng mga
Yung unang mga ba, yung boss niya, yung engineer, yun ang kilala ko eh. Bain mo ba yun? Sabay na.
Bye, Dabi.
Sarado.
Good boy, Dabi. Take care of Mama and Glenn. Big dog.
Oh.
Kaya mga regalo.
Dabi. Thank you po.
Tawag sila ko.
Kita lang tayo next year. Uncle Glenn, salamat.
Sige ha, halo. Halo lang ha.
Bye po. Ah.
Once again, last and final call for boarding.
Namaste. Kagabi. Until next time, Boracay. We're going back to Cebu now. And we're gonna stay there for 1 day. 25.
Zoltar speaking. We're approximately 70 miles northwest of Mactan, Cebu. And I was done 53 in the afternoon. Time check for your convenience is 1:36. Weather in Mactan, Cebu is reported to be fair. Wind is coming from the north. Ground temperature is at 31 degrees Celsius. On behalf of Cebu Pacific, I'd like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to be of service to you again in your future flights. Thank you. Picture the landing stage.
Oh no. Thank you, bye. Have a good day po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.
Sa pagdiriwang ng Semana Santa, nais namin at ang aming regular na programa ay magbabalik March. Standing right here talking to you about another path. I know
Dito na kami sa Cebu. Punta na kami sa hotel. Mingaw kay Kwan. Semana Santa. Uy, si Baba. Sa kanyang ulo niya. Yeah, pahinga mo tayo. Kala ko magbibisaya siya.
We're here. I don't need to.
Hindi pala alam.
Excuse you.
Kayo traffic because it's holiday. Mahal na araw. So most of the stores are closed. Bataka. Cebu! Welcome to Cebu! Oh, doggy! Oh my God! Ha? Korean grocery. Ha? Ay, school ko before. Diyan ako nag-aaral dati, Bobo.
University of Southern Philippines?
Yes.
Elementary dyan?
Oh, kindergarten, elementary. Pikas! Diyan Yan yung papuntang ano ba? Bukid.
Alin? Diretso, di ba?
Oh, Busan. Busan. Trip to Busan. Oh, dara.
Magdala na ko siya ni Dugay kayo. Kanana ba eh? Ang gulan-gul. Wala na. 4 days Roman King.
4 days na mo dito?
O 5 days Roman King. 8, 9, 10, 11. Ulit naman tayo. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11? Ay, 4. 4 days. 4 days, 3 nights.
Hindi siya pina-hospital. Buhay pa tong balay din eh. Oh. Buhay pa.
Pili lang?
Oo, nakabili lang. Diri si Kuan. Diri si Ayi nahulog sa una kanal diri. Diri kanal. Dira ka nahulog sa una kanal. So, mag-room tour ako. Ito yung hallway. Ito pala yung Sada Hotel. Yung hallway. Ganda, diba? Bago pa. Anyways, ito yung room namin. Pagpasok mo, dito yung bathroom. Ito yung toilet. Yung salamin nila. Yung weird lang, habang naliligo ka, diba? So, sarado yung door mo. Pero andito yung switch. So, habang naliligo ka, pwedeng patayin yung switch. Weird lang. O, diba? Pinatayan ka ng ilaw. Hindi ko lang. Tapos, dito yung kanilang closet. Dito yung kanilang lockbox. Meron silang ref. Ito yung pinagkainan namin kanina. Mamaya, pipick upin nila yan. Maybe. Ito yung free water nila. Coffee. Whatever. Yung TV. Ito yung bed. Magulo na kasi hinigaan na namin. Yung salamin. Maganda siya. Maliit. Pero maganda. Not bad. Tapos ito yung couch. And then, pag labas mo dito, well, not labas, but ito yung window nila. Yung outside. Daming tao. Kanina, wala masyadong tao. Kasi, Semana Santa.